Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Gohar Publishers. This is Hamna bint Shehzad. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through data resources for conceptual learning. Dear teachers and dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे Scale Up English for the Grades 5 का यूनिट नंबर 7 and the title of unit is Plantation of Trees. तो सबसे पहले रीडिंग देखते हैं. Daddy, why are trees important for us? Asked Maham. Trees are not only important but they are essential for living. They provide us with oxygen, filter carbon dioxide, prevent soil erosion, maintain the ecological balance and many more, the father told. Daddy, how do trees prevent soil erosion? Asked Iqbal. The large canopies of many trees help to prevent soil erosion by reducing the impact of rain onto the ground. Soil erosion is the natural displacement of the top layer of soil, usually caused by water, air or tilling on the land. This can create many problems for future vegetation and lead to soil erosion, the father replied. Daddy, what is the ecological balance? Asked Maham. The ecological balance is the harmony between organism and their environment, the father clarified. Thanks, Daddy. Please tell some more benefits of trees, Maham asked curiously. Trees provide us with food in the shape of fruits. Forests help in flourishing wildlife and providing shelter to thousands of species including humans. Trees are also the main source of raw material for timber and paper industries, which help in boosting the economy. Trees act as natural air conditioners by reducing heat, thus cooling the environment. Neem is the common tree which helps in purifying the atmosphere by killing germs, father said. From roots to leaves, every part of a tree is beneficial to us and to our ecosystem. So it becomes necessary to plant more and more trees. Trees are a necessity for the survival of the human race, and without them, it will be difficult to sustain life on the earth. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen by a process called photosynthesis. Trees absorb carbon from the atmosphere and store it in their wood and bark, thus showing the rate of the global warming, told the father. Do birds benefit from trees? Asked Iqbal. Yes. Birds lay their egg in nests made on trees, thus trees also help in nurturing many species, the father said. Trees cause rainfall and thus prevent the spread of desert. Trees give us many products like wood, leaves, rubber, resin, honey, etc. We also need wood for making things like houses, boats and furniture. In short, trees make our world beautiful, added the father. Now, अब हम देखते हैं difficult words के meaning. Displacement, ये basically किसी चीज़ को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट करना है. इरोजन, ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें बेसिकली ज़मीन जो होती है वो नीचे से उसकी जो लेयर्स हैं वो डिस्ट्रॉय होती हैं और ज़मीन से कुछ निकलता है. टाइलिंग, ये बेसिकली आपने जो लैंड को में आप क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करने का प्रोसेस होता है, ये वो होता है. ऑर्गेनिज्म एक लिविंग थिंग होती है. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, ये पूरी दुनिया का टेम्परेचर, पूरे अर्थ का टेम्परेचर जो कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के बढ़ने की वजह से इंक्रीज हो रहा है, इसको कहते हैं. रेजिन, ये बेसिकली एक मटेरियल होता है जो कि आपके ट्रीज में से निकलता है और ये वार्निश और डिफरेंट चीज़ें बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस, ये बेसिकली आपका तवाज़न है बिटवीन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जैसे कि ह्यूमन, एनिमल्स और उनकी इन्वायरमेंट का. आई होप आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा. एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.